Do your legs feel heavier than they used to? Do the stairs seem taller? Or your balance just a little off? This might not be aging. This could be your food, and even your supplements. Today, we're exposing 5 everyday foods and 2 common vitamins that may be quietly draining your strength after 60, and what you can do to feel strong, steady, and in control again. Let's begin. Number 1. Processed meats. Bacon, sausage, deli slices. They taste familiar. But under the surface, they're loaded with saturated fat and preservatives that clog your arteries and restrict blood flow. When your circulation slows down, your muscles don't get the oxygen they need. In your legs, you start to ache, stiffen, weaken. It's not just age. It's the breakfast that's betraying you. Try fresh options instead. Grilled chicken, turkey, fish, or eggs. Your muscles will notice the difference. Number 2, instant noodles and quick boxed meals. They're fast, cheap, filling, but they're nutritional traps. Filled with sodium, MSG, and refined carbs, they leave your body swollen, your energy low, and your muscles starved of nutrients, tingling in the legs, random cramps, or ankles that puff up by evening. These are signs, not just side effects. Ditch the chemical-filled convenience. Choose whole, real foods instead. Number 3. Store-bought cakes and sugary snacks. Yes, they taste like celebration, but what's really inside? Refined sugar, artificial oils, chemical preservatives. Together, they cause inflammation in your joints, spike your blood sugar, and leave your muscles too tired to perform. The worst ingredient? Trans fats. They're designed to make food last longer, but inside you, they do the opposite. Swap them for homemade treats made with olive oil, oats, and natural fruit sweeteners. You don't have to lose the sweetness, just the damage. Number 4. Ultra-processed cheeses and spreads. The kind that melts fast, or comes in a jar. These are packed with phosphates and additives that block your body from absorbing key minerals, especially magnesium and calcium. And when those go missing, your muscles start to cramp. Your legs feel heavy, and your flexibility fades. Better options? Fresh cottage cheese, ricotta, or a small serving of real aged cheese. Less salt, more support. Number 5, canned foods and preserved meats. It's not always the food itself. It's what's added to keep it on the shelf. Sodium benzoates, nitrates, even aluminum. They inflame your joints, sap your energy, and block nutrient absorption where your body needs it most. Your legs. Feeling bloated, crampy, or just unusually tired? It might be your pantry, not your age. Go fresh when you can, frozen, with no added salt or preservatives. And now, 2 vitamins you thought were helping, that might actually be making things worse. First up, vitamin A. Yes, it's essential, but in high doses, especially from supplements. Vitamin A builds up in your liver and causes inflammation deep in your muscle tissue. Symptoms include sore legs, morning stiffness, fatigue for no clear reason. You might think you're just tired, but it could be a stored vitamin slowing you down. Stick to natural sources. Carrots, spinach, eggs, and always check your labels. Too much synthetic vitamin A is more common than you think. Second, vitamin E, another antioxidant. That becomes a problem when taken in excess. Stored in fat tissue, too much vitamin E can slow your muscle recovery, affect balance, and weaken your coordination over time. Research shows it can actually reduce physical performance in seniors. You may feel more tired after walking, less steady on your feet, sore after doing less, and never suspect your supplement. Watch for high doses. The safe daily intake, about 22 IUs. Some pills give you 400 instead. Get your vitamin E from foods like almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, and avocados. Real nutrients, real benefits. So here's the truth. Weakness after 60 isn't just about age. It's about inflammation, poor circulation, and the silent effects of daily choices. You can't change what you ate yesterday. But today you can read your labels. You can skip the processed stuff. You can fuel your body with foods that heal, not harm, leafy greens, fatty fish, olive oil, berries, beans, whole grains. Eat for strength, move with purpose, or supplement with wisdom, not assumption. You deserve to walk confidently, to feel strong, to stay independent. And it all starts with what's on your plate and in your pill bottle. If this message spoke to you, please share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to Senior Wellness Fit for more life-changing insights. Because the truth is, you're not just aging, you're evolving, and your best strength may still be ahead of you.